In this guide, I'll show you how to use Discord on your Xbox Series S or X. So from the home screen, select Settings at the top, then scroll down to Account Settings and scroll over and select Linked Social Accounts. Now once you're here, where it says Discord, select Link beneath it, and then you can either select Continue on Console, or you could scan the QR code on screen, and both options are going to bring you to the Discord website, where you'll have to sign into your Discord account. Now, since I'm already signed into my Discord account, it brought me right here, asking if I want to link my Xbox account to my Discord account. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and then I'm going to select Authorize. So this will take a couple of seconds as it's linking your Discord account to your Xbox account, and you may see a little pop-up window appear, and you want to allow it and then go to Open. So I'm going to give it a couple of seconds here as the accounts are linked. And now that you can see that it's linked, we're going to go back to the home screen. So now what you want to do on the Xbox home screen is press the X button on your controller, and we're going to scroll over to Parties and Chats, and here's where you'll see Discord, where you can talk and stream. So when you select this option, it's going to be like you were on Discord on your computer. So you can either do direct voice calls, or you can join your servers that you're connected to. So I'm going to select this Discord server, and here you can see the voice channels. So select the voice channel that you want to join, and from here you'll be able to talk to your friends as long as they're in the same voice channel, and you're going to see a bunch of different options here that you can use in order to adjust your experience in the voice chat. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.